Hey everyone, it's Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I just want to discuss a topic, and the topic is organizing on a budget. So, a lot of times when people think about organizing, they think about Pinterest, pretty, this very elegant, aesthetically pleasing looking space, but let me tell you that that is not how you have to organize. So, the main thing about organizing is you are able to find the things you need quickly and you're able to put things away into their home. So, with that being said, it doesn't necessarily need to be in a pretty or fancy bin. Oftentimes, we'll do a huge, declutter session before we ever purchase any product. And oftentimes, I will use whatever we have on hand, whether it's old containers, mismatched containers, shoe boxes, cardboard boxes, maybe plastic baggies, whatever we have, and I will put them in as placeholders and I'll label them. I will tell you as a function that works exactly the same as a fancy bin. So if you're not so worried about anybody looking at it, or maybe you're the only one looking at your stuff, and you don't care about fancy bins, you can just use items in your home. Not only is it good for the wallet, but it's also good for the landfill and the environment. So I just want to let you know that it is okay to DIY it and use your own bins, and you can still be extremely organized in that way. So let me know if you have any other awesome hacks in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys, and I will see you next time.